Hi everyone, I'm Natalie from SecretSauce. Today, I'm cooking from my SecretSauce kitchen. My very favorite recipe, Korean Kalbi Pulled Beef. You'll need 1 jar of SecretSauce Korean Kalbi cooking sauce, all natural goodness. 1.3 kilograms of boneless beef short ribs or brisket. Rub 1 jar of sauce on the meat, all over. Cover pot. Cook in oven at 130 degrees Celsius for 3 hours. Turn meat and return to the oven for 1 more hour. The main trick is to use the right pan or pot size so that the sauce won't dry up when cooking. As seen here on a separate occasion, I do make this quite often. This is Kalbi braised ribs served as a steak main. Now back to our pulled beef in the oven. It's ready. Remove from pot and let's start pulling apart. It is really soft as you see it, really moist. This is so soft and easy to pull apart. We'll be done in minutes. Then add in the sauce from the pot and mix in well so that the sauce gets everywhere on every strand of pulled beef. There you go. It is absolutely perfectly moist, as you can see. Now heat Peking duck pancakes per package instructions. Then toast each piece on a hot pan till slightly golden brown on both sides, as seen here. Or leave the pancakes soft to wrap the pulled beef. They're as crispy as they look, and you can keep them overnight too. I like to serve it with Japanese mayo and Sriracha chili sauce. It looks delicious, isn't it? I can guarantee you it is absolutely yum. Another way is to wrap it in tortilla with homemade kimchi or store-bought, Japanese mayo, Sriracha, and salad. Leftovers, no problem. Serve it with noodles, with avocado and kimchi, or on rice. In another video, I'll be showing you my personal favorite Kalbi recipe, and that's the Kalbi grilled flank rib steak. Stay tuned. You'll find all the information in this video in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helps you get cracking on making pulled beef with SecretSauce Korean Kalbi cooking sauce. Remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.